Hi friends and welcome back. As you know that it's been a month that we have started our Word of the Day segment, in which we are done with 4 word families so far. Now the 5th week has been started and E is the 5th letter in English alphabet. So all the words that we are going to learn in this week are from E family. So let's start and see what is our first word of this week. So the word of the day is eloquent. Its spell is E-L-O-Q-U-E-N-T, eloquent. So let's pronounce with me, eloquent. Eloquent. Eloquent is an adjective and its meaning is expressing yourself readily, clearly, and effectively in speech or writing. This also implies the act of using language to express ideas or opinions clearly and well, so that they have a strong effect on others. Or simply you can say that a person characterized by eloquence. Eloquent also means giving a clear, strong message that is vividly expressing or indicating something. Since eloquent can have to do with speaking, it makes sense that it comes from the Latin verb loqui, which means to speak. When you are eloquent, you have a way with words. An eloquent speaker expresses herself clearly and powerfully. Even though eloquent usually describes oral speech, it can also be used to describe powerful writing. Being eloquent is about using words well. All the great writers from English class, such as Shakespeare, Mark Twain, Emily Dickinson, and Virginia Woolf, were eloquent. A great orator or speaker like Martin Luther King was also eloquent. When something is beautifully, gorgeously, and perfectly said or written, it's eloquent. Being eloquent requires your words to be smooth, clear, powerful, and interesting. Not to mention that to write or speak in an eloquent way takes a lot of work. The Urdu meaning of the word is Khosh bayan, Khosh guftar, Lasan, ya fasihul bayan. Incidentally, the word possesses a list of synonyms. Some of them are articulate, fluent, silver-tongued, and well-spoken. However, the antonyms for the word are inarticulate, ineloquent, unvocal, and tongue-tied. Now let's have a look on its usage in a sentence. As the word possesses 2 meanings, so I have 2 examples on each of its meanings. The first 2 sentences will show you the usage of word in a sense of fluent or persuasive in writing or speech. So the examples are: the eloquent orator far prefers to work from a few scribbled notes rather than stick to a pre-prepared speech. The other example is, he repudiated his eloquent style, writing now in plainer, simpler language to communicate his message straightforwardly. The rest of the 2 examples will show you the usage of eloquent in a sense of clearly indicating something. The first one is, the pictures of destruction served as an eloquent reminder of the hurricane's power. And the second one is, the success serves as an eloquent reminder of the value of hard work. So that's all for today. Keep practicing the word and keep sharing your feedback with us. And please don't forget to visit us on our FB page for finding the reading material of this video. So see you tomorrow with another amazing vocab. Stay with us and have a nice day.